Hello everybody, it's me Max. In this video I will be showing you how to make tasty pasta with ground beef, and we will be also showing you the easiest way to make rich creamy sauce. Now let's start the video. For making this sauce we need hot pot with 2 tablespoons ghee or butter plus 2 tablespoons of oil. We will add 4 tablespoons of flour and we will stir them for 2 minutes. We will add 3 cups of milk plus 1 cup of heavy cream or 4 cups of milk. Then we will add salt plus white pepper or black pepper. Now we will use a whisk to stir our sauce until it is thick and creamy. Until our sauce looks as thick as you see in the video. And let it aside. To start preparing our ground beef, we will need 1 medium onion. We can put it in the food processor or we can grate it. In a hot pan with oil and butter, we will put our onion. We will stir our onion until the color of it has changed. After the color of our onion has changed, we will add 1 pound of ground beef. And we will stir it well with the onion. Now, after the color of our ground beef has completely changed, we will add salt, black pepper, and 1 teaspoon meat spices. After stirring well, we will add 3 tablespoons tomato paste, we will stir it for 2 minutes. Now our meat is ready. For our meal, we will need 1 pound half-cooked penny pasta. Then we will add 2/3 of our sauce and stir well. In an oven pan, brushed with butter, we will put 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, we will start adding half of our pasta, and we will add the meat like you see in the video. We will add the rest of our pasta on top of the meat. We will add 2 egg yolks mixed well with a pinch of black pepper to the amount left of the sauce. After it is mixed well, we will add it to the top of our pasta. We will put it in a hot oven at 400 degrees on the last shelf. This is how it came out after 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.